Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The USS Delbert D. Black, DDG-119, is one of the most advanced destroyers sailing with the United States Navy, and understanding this ship means appreciating how decades of engineering, combat experience, and evolving military strategy come together in a single platform. When you first look at the Delbert D. Black, it resembles many other Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, but what sets it apart is the combination of its updated flight IIA design, its refined internal systems, and the multi-role capability built into every aspect of its structure. Named in honor of the first Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy, Delbert D. Black, the ship carries not only technology but also legacy, symbolizing leadership, resilience, and dedication to the fleet. At its core, DDG-119 is a guided missile destroyer designed to handle virtually any threat in modern naval warfare. The ship can take on air, surface, and subsurface threats, while also offering limited ballistic missile defense capability depending on software upgrades. This level of versatility is rare in ships from previous generations, which were usually more specialized. The destroyer's hull displaces roughly 9,200 tons at full load, stretching about 509 feet in length. The hull design maintains stability in rough seas, aids in quieting underwater signatures, and supports high-speed maneuvering, which is crucial in an era where reaction time often determines survival. The propulsion system is one of the first major engineering characteristics worth noting. The ship runs on 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbines, essentially jet engines adapted for maritime use. These engines are mounted in a combined gas and gas, or COGAG, configuration, meaning that the ship can operate using 2 or all 4 turbines depending on speed and efficiency requirements. Together, they generate about 100,000 shaft horsepower, enabling the destroyer to exceed speeds of 30 knots despite its massive weight. This speed isn't just about moving fast, it's about being able to reposition rapidly during operations, keep up with aircraft carrier strike groups, or evade long-range threats by changing course quickly. Along with speed, the turbines are designed for high fuel efficiency and lower acoustic signatures, which matter tremendously when avoiding detection by hostile submarines. The beating technological heart of the Delbert D. Black is the Aegis Combat System, which integrates every sensor, weapon, and communication suite into a unified digital brain. This system allows the ship to track hundreds of targets simultaneously, from fighter jets flying at high altitude to sea-skimming missiles attempting to evade radar. In addition to tracking, Aegis also prioritizes threats automatically and suggests optimal engagement solutions to the operators in the Combat Information Center, often referred to as the CIC. The system helps the crew make extremely fast decisions, reducing the chance of human error during high-intensity scenarios where seconds matter. Supporting Aegis is the SPY-1D phased array radar, which is among the most advanced naval radars ever deployed. Unlike conventional rotating radars, this one uses electronically steered beams, meaning it doesn't need to physically rotate to scan. It can change direction electronically in fractions of a second, giving it instant adaptability. In practice, this allows the ship to detect stealthy, fast-moving, or low-altitude threats even during heavy rainfall, sea clutter, or electronic interference. Later upgrades may prepare the ship for integration with the newer SPY-6 technology, making it even more capable against next-generation threats like hypersonic weapons. Armament is where the true power of DDG-119 becomes visible. The destroyer carries a 96-cell Mk-41 vertical launch system laid out in 2 sections, one forward and one aft. Each cell can fire a variety of missiles, making the ship incredibly flexible. For air defense, standard missiles such as SM-2 and SM-6 provide long-range interception capability. For ballistic missile defense or high-altitude threats, ships in the same class can launch SM-3 missiles. For land attack, the Tomahawk cruise missile, capable of striking targets well over 1,000 miles away, turns the destroyer into a strategic asset capable of projecting power deep inland. Anti-submarine capabilities are boosted by the RUM-139VL ASROC, an anti-submarine rocket that delivers a torpedo directly to distant underwater targets. The variety within the VLS cells means the ship can customize its loadout for specific missions, whether it's preparing for open ocean combat, escorting a high-value asset, or quietly patrolling contested waters. Aside from the VLS, the Delbert D. Black mounts a Mark 45 5-inch 62 caliber naval gun on its forward deck. While it may appear modest compared to missile systems, this gun offers rapid fire rates and pinpoint accuracy. It is used for engaging smaller vessels, providing naval gunfire support during amphibious operations, or delivering precise fire to coastal targets. The destroyer also carries phalanx close-in weapon systems, rapid-fire Gatling guns capable of destroying incoming missiles or aircraft during the last few seconds before impact. Additional defensive systems include machine guns, electronic warfare suites, and decoy launchers capable of spoofing radar and infrared-guided projectiles. One of the most strategically important capabilities of DDG-119 is its anti-submarine warfare suite. The ship is fitted with towed sonar arrays, hull-mounted sonar, and powerful onboard processors that help detect submarines even in complex acoustic environments. Anti-submarine warfare is one of the toughest missions at sea today, especially with modern submarines using ultra-quiet electric propulsion systems. By combining sonar data with information relayed from helicopters and drones, the destroyer becomes a formidable submarine hunter. The MH-60R Seahawk helicopters that operate from its twin hangars play a critical role in this. They can fly well beyond the ship's own sensor range, deploy sonobuoys, use dipping sonar, fire torpedoes, and even carry anti-ship missiles. Their presence dramatically extends the destroyer's awareness and striking capability. Survivability is another area where the ship excels. The hull and internal compartments are built with extensive shock hardening to withstand near-miss explosions or underwater detonations. The ship includes redundancies in propulsion, power generation, fire suppression, and combat systems so that it can continue operating even after sustaining damage. Reduced radar signature shaping is applied to the superstructure to minimize detectability. The ship's exhaust is cooled to reduce its infrared visibility, making it harder for heat-seeking weapons to lock onto it. Modern electronic warfare systems can jam enemy sensors, detect incoming radar signals, and deploy countermeasures instantly. The interior of the Delbert D. Black is designed not only for performance but also for crew endurance. Living spaces are improved compared to older destroyers, featuring better climate control, quieter sleeping quarters, and more efficient lighting. This matters because sailors often spend months at sea, and comfort affects morale, which in turn affects performance. The ship's layout emphasizes ergonomic workflows. The Combat Information Center is arranged to support rapid decision-making with large digital displays, integrated consoles, and efficient communication lines between stations. Automated systems reduce manual tasks such as machinery monitoring, fuel management, and damage control, allowing sailors to focus more on tactical operations instead of routine mechanical duties. Because the ship is part of the later Flight IIA batch, it includes enhancements that earlier Arleigh Burke destroyers lacked. These include larger hangars, improved helicopter support systems, updated ballistic protection, better electrical power distribution architecture, and modernized digital networks capable of handling far greater data load than legacy systems. The Navy designed these ships with future upgrades in mind, meaning technologies like directed energy weapons, advanced radar modules, and enhanced cyber defense systems can be integrated as they mature. Strategically, the USS Delbert D. Black represents a critical element in the United States naval doctrine of forward presence, deterrence, and distributed lethality. The Navy relies on ships like DDG-119 to maintain constant presence in key waterways around the globe, from the South China Sea to the Persian Gulf, from the Mediterranean to the North Atlantic. Their mission profile includes everything from ballistic missile defense patrols, anti-piracy operations, and intelligence gathering, to escorting carriers and allied vessels, participating in multinational training exercises, and providing humanitarian assistance after natural disasters. The destroyer's flexibility allows it to shift seamlessly from high-end warfare to low-intensity operations, which is essential in the unpredictable security environment of the modern world. What truly makes DDG-119 special is the balance it strikes between cutting-edge technology and proven reliability. The Arleigh Burke class has become one of the most successful warship designs in modern history, and the Delbert D. Black represents a mature, refined version of that lineage. It carries the strength of decades of operational experience while embracing the digital, multi-domain nature of modern naval warfare. With its powerful missiles, advanced sensors, stealth-enhancing design, and exceptional endurance, this destroyer stands as one of the most capable surface combatants afloat. Whether it is delivering long-range precision strikes, defending against aerial threats, hunting submarines, or ensuring the free flow of commerce, the USS Delbert D. Black serves as a reminder of how important naval power remains in shaping global stability.